Hello mushroom lovers and welcome to the Mushroom Room. Today we're going to use some homegrown fresh pearl oyster mushrooms and we're going to turn them into a delicious mushroom crostini appetizer. Looks good, huh? So here's what we'll use. We're going to use some fresh oyster mushrooms. I used pearl oyster mushrooms today. Then you're going to use some dehydrated cherry tomatoes, the baguette, balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper, and olive oil. So when I opened my mushroom grow tent today, I found a beautiful cluster of fresh pearl oyster mushrooms. Of course, you can also use any other type of oyster mushrooms. I've previously made this recipe with pink oyster mushrooms and with yellow oyster mushrooms, and it's always turned out delicious. So let's harvest this cluster and start to separate the mushrooms. I place the mushrooms on a grill pan and tear the larger ones into pieces so that they're roughly all the same size. And now I'm going to turn on my stove. I use low to medium heat. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil onto the mushrooms and flip them when they start to turn golden. Do take your time with this and keep the heat fairly low so that you don't burn the mushrooms. And flip them every once in a while. Season them with some salt and pepper. And when they're almost done and they're starting to become crispy, then you can add a little bit of balsamic vinegar. Stir them one last time and then they're ready. This is what they'll look like when they're ready. They'll be slightly crispy. You can either serve them as a side dish or you can put them onto a baguette together with some dehydrated tomatoes and serve it as a crostini appetizer. Enjoy!